Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Yaris and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter on the car. Now you're not going to need any tools for this and it's relatively easy to do, and it is found just behind the glove box. Now I've noticed on this model the little shock absorber down the side isn't there, so your one may have that on, and then you just squeeze them tabs in and then pull it off. But like I say, it's missing on this model. Now this is going to be a bit hard to do one-handed, but you squeeze both sides in here and here. There we go. And then just lower the glove box and then you can actually pull it away from the car. And these two grips there on the bottom just go into these positions here. Now we can take a look inside and actually you can see the top of your filter there, and this is our filter cover plate here. You'll notice there's an arrow pointing up and the word up next to it. So give a squeeze of them tabs on the left hand side, open that up, and then this is our filter. Now it's quite interesting on this car because you can't pull the filter straight out, you have to do it at a slight angle. There's this chamfer on the box. So pull it out as far as you can and then start to rotate it. Now notice it actually says airflow down. So you want your blue side up and the grey side down, and that is our cabin air conditioning filter. Once you've got your new one or you've cleaned your existing one, we're going to go ahead and put it straight back in the same way. So you put it in at an angle and then you rotate that corner round and push it in. Push it all the way back, then get our cover plate that says up on it. Slide that in on the right hand side and then click it on the left. And then we just get our glove box, put the two hinges in the right position and rotate the glove box up, then put the shock absorber back on if you've got it on your model, and then click the glove box up. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter on a 2008 Toyota Yaris. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.